In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Claude AI cache. If the app has started to feel sluggish, looks stuck on an older screen, or behaves unpredictably after an update, clearing the cache is a quick way to refresh things. The cache is just a collection of temporary files the app stores to speed up loading. Over time, those files can become outdated or corrupted. Clearing them doesn't remove your account or cloud-stored conversations, but it does force the app to rebuild fresh working files and often fixes common glitches. Start by opening the app's menu. Depending on your device, this is usually the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. If you don't see that, look along the app's top bar for a help option, or open the main menu from your profile or settings icon. Different layouts place the same controls in slightly different spots, so don't worry if yours looks a bit different. The goal is simply to get into the app's main menu so you can reach Help. Once the menu is open, head to Help, then choose Troubleshooting. Inside Troubleshooting, look for the option labeled Clear Cache and Restart. The wording is important. You're not uninstalling or deleting your data, you're just clearing temporary files. When you select Clear Cache and Restart, you may see a brief confirmation message to make sure you want to proceed. Confirm, and the app will immediately close and relaunch. During the restart, the app clears its cache and comes back in a fresh state. That means it discards outdated temporary files, resets certain behind-the-scenes settings, and rebuilds what it needs on the next launch. After it reopens, give it a moment to reinitialize. You might notice the first load is a touch slower than usual. That's normal as it recreates those cached resources. Once it's done, navigation should feel snappier, screens should render correctly, and lingering UI quirks should be gone. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you had unsent drafts or offline content, check them after the restart to make sure they're still present. You might also verify that your preferences look right, just in case the refresh nudged a visual or accessibility setting. And if you still notice issues after clearing the cache, it's worth checking for app updates, since newer versions often include stability fixes that pair well with a fresh cache. That's it. Simple, fast, and safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Claude AI running smoothly again.